Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through Phobia Tests. What is a phobia test? Phobias are defined as irrational fears that can cause immense distress in everyday life. A phobia test is designed to help identify whether you have a phobia, as well as highlight the severity of your symptoms. It consists of questions or statements assessing your fear and anxiety related to specific situations or objects. Some tests might also include questions about the physical symptoms you experience when facing fears, such as sweating, trembling, or difficulty breathing. Using this test, you can develop effective treatment plans to target phobias and to allow for a more manageable task load. There are multiple healthcare professionals who can use the phobia test, including therapists, counsellors, and more. How to use a phobia test. The first step is to fill out the essential patient information. You'll then need to complete the phobia profile with the relevant scores in place. You'll then need to tally and interpret scores, adding notes to summarise. To view a sample assessment of the phobia test, visit our website at carepatron.com. You can find the templates on our platform under the community section. Filter by notes or assessments and type in the keyword phobia to find the relevant note.